lovely. As you can see, these one fantastic dough. Nice and lovely. Well, I just make some banana fritters, guys, and tell you to be honest, banana fritters can go with anything, right? Banana fritters, and to be honest, you can put it serve it with like a dessert, ice cream, whatever you like. I decided to give you an idea exactly where our Chef Ricardo is on about it. So basically, this is my plate which I'm gonna serve it on. So first of all, I'm gonna simply pop a little bit of chocolate syrup. Just like this. Nice and lovely. This is the banana fritters right here. And we want to serve this as a dessert. So basically, just like this. Alright? And then simple, pop a little bit more of the chocolate syrup on top of it like this. Pinch of sugar. And to be honest, guys, you can serve that to your lover, to someone. This is fantastic, lovely dessert from Chef Ricardo today, guys. This is ripe banana with ice cream and chocolate syrup melting off, lovely and nice. So please, if you like the idea, leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipe like this coming up for you. We love you, and we always make dish like this. See you next time, and this is from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.